In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new user to your organization on Xero while setting up their permissions for smooth collaboration. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or giving an accountant specialized access, this guide will simplify the process for you. Let's dive in. First, we'll begin by navigating to the user settings. Start by clicking on your organization's name located at the top left of your Xero dashboard. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Users option. This is your gateway to managing who has access to your organization's Xero account, a crucial step in safeguarding your financial data while enabling effective teamwork. With access to the user settings, let's move on to starting the invitation process. Here, you'll see an option that says Invite a User. Clicking this will take you to a form where you can enter the details needed to bring on board your new team member. Now it's time to enter the details of the individual you wish to invite. You'll need to input their first name, last name, and email address. Remember, this email address will serve as their login credentials, so it's vital to ensure it's entered correctly. Double-checking these details can save a lot of hassle down the line, especially since this email will determine their access to your organization's Xero account. Next, let's set user permissions to ensure they have the right tools to perform their tasks efficiently. You'll begin by choosing the specific features the user needs access to, selections such as projects or payroll. This allows you to tailor their access based on their role within your organization. Once you've selected the necessary features, it's time to assign a role. Xero offers predefined roles like standard user, invoice only, or read only. Each role has different levels of access, so be sure to match the role with the user's responsibilities. If you're inviting an accountant or bookkeeper, you might want to consider the advisor role, which grants access to more advanced features and reports. Further customization of permissions is possible if your organization requires it. For example, specify if this new user can manage other users or edit sensitive information such as bank account details. Before finalizing the invitation, you have the option to add a personal message. This message will appear in their invitation email. While optional, a personalized note can provide context or a warm welcome, helping to build rapport from the start. Finally, when everything looks correct, click on the Send Invite button. This sends an email to the user, and they will need to accept this invitation to gain access to your Xero organization. Keep in mind, their access isn't complete until they accept this invitation. And there you have it. These simple steps help ensure that your new team member can hit the ground running with the right level of access and begin contributing to your organization's success on Xero. Thanks for watching, and happy inviting.